A cross between piña colada and a strawberry daiquiri make this colorful tropical frozen drink one of my faves. So stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my bar where I like to share all my favorite island drink recipes. And today we'll be making a classic tropical lava flow. I was trying to do some research online to see who invented the lava flow, where it came from, and honestly, there wasn't really anything to say who can be credited for this drink. But as I mention all the time, I'm not much of a drinker, but if I had to pick my favorite drink, lava flow is it. It's like a cross between a piña colada and a strawberry daiquiri. Super yummy, so let's get started. You'll need yourself a blender. This one is a blended drink. It is quite sweet. If you don't like sweet drinks, well, might not be your favorite, but I love it. So we're gonna start with some frozen strawberries. You'll need 2 ounces of these. Get the frozen one because you're gonna make like a puree with that. So that'll go in here. And then we're gonna go with the alcohol. You'll need 1 ounce of light rum. And again, I'm not a bartender, so I measure, whoa, and I probably should have measured closer. So 1 ounce of that. And again, you can totally use any brand. You don't have to use the one that I got. I sent my husband to the store to buy me ingredients and had to remind him, don't come home with all kinds of extra stuff. And then you'll need 1 ounce of coconut rum. And this is what is going to be used to make the puree. So put the cap on, or the lid, and we'll just pulse this up. So because this is a one drink, and this blender is kind of big, I should have used the single serve one, but that's okay. Once the strawberry puree has been blended up, you'll get yourself a tall glass. Now, I don't really have any, so I figured, hey, mason jars are in, why not? Let's use a mason jar. So I have that, but you'll either use a hurricane glass or a Collins glass, anything kind of tall so that you can pour the layers in. So this is the first layer. This is the strawberry layer. So we'll go ahead and pour that into the bottom, like so. Some people like to pour it and get it to like go up the edges, up the walls of the glass. You can do that, or you can even pour it in vice versa. I like to do it like this, so totally up to you. So that's that. We're gonna rinse out the blender and then we'll make the next part of it. Be right back. And now that we've washed the blender, we'll go ahead and put that on and we'll make the next part of it. You'll need a banana. I'll get a ripe one, not overripe, because you still want the texture and consistency. The overripe bananas are sweeter, but this one, we've got a lot of sweet stuff in here, so that's okay. So banana goes in, and then you'll want to get, this is called cream of coconut, different than coconut cream. This is used a lot for baking and ingredients like that. I like the squeeze one so that you can store it in the fridge. They do sell them in the can if you want as well, but I like this one better. Kind of give it a good shake. This one was sitting in the fridge, so hopefully it comes out nicely. And I need 2 ounces of that. It tastes like melted haupia. That's like, haupia is like a coconut pudding. So you'll put that in. Need 2 ounces of that, so 1 more. This is pretty sweet. Like, I would dip my finger in and eat it. I'm a sucker for sweet, so this one is really yummy. I like it. So that's this one. Coconut cream, or excuse me, cream of coconut. Get it right. Totally different things. So we'll get that to go in. Because the blender is so big, I'm trying to get it to go straight to the bottom, just so it's not all over the sides and stuff. And then you'll do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. You can use fresh pineapple, can, totally up to you. These little ones are great if you're only gonna make a couple of drinks. If not, they make bigger sizes. The pineapple industry was huge in Hawaii back in the day, so pineapple and coconut definitely make up a large part of tropical drinks here. So 2 ounces of that, and you know what I totally forgot to grab? Some ice, voila. And through the magic of TV, we got some ice. And you'll add the ice to the blender. Lid goes on. And again, I should have used the single serve size, but that's okay. And then we'll just mix this up until well blended. And then I kind of like to shake it up and put it back on. Again, the single serve one, you probably wouldn't have had to, but because this one's bigger, you do. and just blend it to the consistency that you like. Then we'll pour this. Mine's broke off. Normally it stays there, but mine's broken. Anybody want to get us a new blender? And then we'll pour this into the strawberry part. It depends. If you pour strong or rough and kind of just dump it in, it'll mix up more. But if you like to keep it separate like that, then you can pour it slowly and it won't mix up as much. Once you pour it in, we'll garnish it with a pineapple. Put that on. Oh, because the mason jar is a little wide. And why not a umbrella? It doesn't even reach because the mason jar is too big. But you know what? That's okay. And if you're dreaming of blue skies and white sandy beaches, this is the perfect tropical drink to make. If you want to check out another tropical drink, then you can check out this video here. And until next time, ahui-ho. Might want to mix it a little. All the alcohol's on the bottom.
Thank you for watching my mommy's video.